Hey there. I found bamboo stalks at the flea market for only $3, and I'm wondering if I can grow them in a vase. It's worth a try. I mean, look at that gorgeous green. They're sturdy and super healthy, and those copper roots are chef's kiss. Since I name all of my plants, I think I'll call these my bamboo betties. I don't know much about bamboo other than those cute pandas eat them, so I did a little research. Apparently, the stalks grow really tall and stupid fast. If I planted them in the ground, once rooted, they could grow up to 12 inches in one day. That's not what I had in mind. Surely they won't grow that fast if they're in a vase. Guess I'll find out. I had the perfect vase in mind when I purchased the betties, but I wanted to test out a few options before deciding on their new home. First up is Miss Fancy Pants. It's currently the nicest glass vase I own. Peep how the subtle gold pattern almost looks bambooish in a transparent kaleidoscopy kind of way. Next is Plain Jane. No disrespect if your name is Jane. I'm sure on most days you're far from plain. This is my go-to vase when I buy flowers from the supermarket. It's not flashy, but it gets the job done. Let's move on to the triplets. This set of mini vases is what I had in mind until I learned about that grow a foot a day bit. I think they'll make a nice home. If the roots start busting out of the tubes, I'll switch to Miss Fancy Pants or Plain Jane. Now that I've chosen the vase, I need to decide where to display the betties in my home. Well, I just so happen to have 3 options for that as well. First up, we have the ottomans in the great room. This is where my family spends most of our time together. It's also where company hangs out. So if I put the triplets here, the stalks would get peak viewership. The only con is my beloved German Shepherd Creed, aka Cretus Magnetus, loves to plop right in front of these bad boys. And when all 95 pounds of Creed plops, he moves anything in his way. This could cause the triplets to trip, so it's probably a no-go for the ottomans. Moving on to location number 2. That's our kitchen table. Now I normally keep a small candle here, and as soon as I placed the triplets on the table, I knew this location would not work. It's going to block someone's view from the kitchen to the TV in the great room, so it wouldn't last 5 minutes before it got pushed aside. I think my best bet is to place the bamboo betties in the first floor bathroom. This way, I'll see them every time I come downstairs. I can control the lighting with the blinds. Everyone uses the bathroom, family and guests alike, so they'll get peak viewership like the stars they are. And I don't have to worry about Cretus Magnetus knocking the betties over or someone pushing them aside to watch TV. Oh, and if they ever get lonely, they can always room with Olga the Orchid.